Hi everyone, we're Team HotPot. When we were brainstorming the product we wanted to create, we looked at our desk and agreed to scratch our own itches. This picture is one of our team members' desk. It's a really cool desk, but you can see it's quite messy. Our team shared the same problem. We have multiple electronic devices like iPhone, iPad, laptop, etc. But it's hard to arrange them to keep the desk clean and tidy. So in what way might we create a better stand that can support multiple devices at the same time at multiple places? We conducted research in class. Questions include usage scenarios of electronic devices, product materials, additional functions, and the like. To summarize the research, we found that most people prefer the metallic or wooden material. They want to use the stand in different places like study room, kitchen, even bathroom. But most people do not favor the idea of additional functions like charging, because that will raise the price a lot. After careful consideration, we set the price $20 to $30.
Here is our ideation process. First, we come up with idea of the structure, and then we figure out what the length would be if the stand hold both iPad and iPhone, which will be too long, and our goal for the portable solution will be fail. So we decided to shorten the distance of it and add extended part, which we will mention later. Besides, since the stand needs to hold two devices, we add another support node to help the stabilization of the product. On the right-hand side is how we iterate the detailed design of the support and the clip for our modular design. Here is our first prototype using some simple parts in our daily life to represent our concept. As you can see, the paper roll can be pulled from the plastic bottle frame, and the clips on the backs simply show that what it may look like after insert the clips. Since this prototype is using plastic bottle and paper roll, it cannot represent the feeling of the material and the stiffness that we ideally want to represent. Other than that, the main concept for extension iterated properly.
For our second version prototype, we try to simulate the material composition from metal to wood, which produce the insights for our final rendering strategy. And meanwhile, some challenges show up in this test process when we correspond to the first prototype. The back clips are too long to hold the heavy iPad in a cantilever situation. And when we put the model on the edge of the bath, there is a possibility that the stand would fall into the water on the slippery surface. Therefore, when we design the bottom part of our final prototype, we are imagining the bottom should be flat and thicker to hold the iPad. Furthermore, we reduce the length of back clips, which would have different size, and then these small components would be much easier attached to different tables. And for the detailed joints consideration, the wood part would insert precisely into the metal shell, which would save effort for assembling.
We will use 60 grams aluminum for main stand, 10 grams for backup stand, and 10 grams for each of the clips. Besides, there will be also 20 grams wooden material used for the stand extension. The total amount of cost will be around $8. As a result, we increase the price around 3 times higher than the cost to balance the cost and revenue. So the retail price will be around $24. To better understand the project, we will go through following scenarios when you are using them. Specifically, when you are using two devices at the same time, you can easily pull out the stand extension to a suitable distance based on the dimension of your device. When you are using one device, you can just simply pull the extension back under this scenario. You can insert the clips onto the stand, which means you can stick the whole stand on your and your device on the edge or the table or the walls. Therefore, basically, our product is flexible, effective, and cost-saving to help you better organize your electronic devices and table. Thank you.